Good morning, everyone. Yes, we are the whichever political space after the prepared to discuss the Nehru thought on democratic socialism. నెహ్రూ ప్రజాస్వామ్య సిద్ధాంతాల గురించి ప్రజాస్వామ్య భావన గురించి ప్రజాస్వామ్యం అనే సిద్ధాంతాన్ని ఆయన ఎలా ఉమ్, పెంపొందించాడు భారతదేశంలో ఈ ప్రజాస్వామ్య భావాన్ని నెహ్రూ గారి చదవగల రచన నుంచి మనం సేకరించాం. వన్ ఆఫ్ ద డెమోక్రటిక్ సోషలిజం ఫార్మర్ ఇన్ ఇండియా Prime Minister Nehru is democratic social socialism in name of all the third world countries. In simple terms, democratic socialism as an ideology in an extent of the labor liberal progressions of democracy in order to set up the need of all the countries of the world. It is an ideology that believe of the economy and the social should function democratically to meet the need of the whole community. The ideology believes that democracy and socialism are one on there cannot be on a true democracy without a true socialism, and there cannot be a true socialism without a true democracy. The two democracy together in equality, social justice, fair share for all, and irresponsible shift in the balance of the wealth and power to the works and their family needs. The democratic social support, social and economical justice. This is was it the exploration of the work and actually produced of the wealth. Democratic social work within in organizing political parties and prevention of the pluralistic character of the society. The newly emerging the social and economical factors transfer the character and the role of the state in changed in both past industrial countries. A democratic I think this idea, democratical social ideology, and was changed within the under planning of democratic socialist principles if the more just and equality distributions of the wealth and the promote the social justice too is it gives the support of the how democratic socials thoughts and views encourage and is adapt in Russia in followed by the India. అంటే నెహ్రూ యొక్క ఈ సామ్యవాద సిద్ధాంతాలు బాగా when you see the organized political parties, it is democratical social work within the organized political parties and the social plural character in society. When we see the society state means we come to the family. When we started the family only, then the ideology of the under planning democratic and just well, social justice too. It is also like on the need of justice. and participators of democracy, which is also another vision of political democracy extending the ideology of the democratic socialism. Nehru impression on free and fair elections were in the suffering from the citizen in most of them. For example, the goal of democratic socialism also incorporations of the issues to the nationalize of mean of produce. There also include the steps like raising the minimum wages, security, a national health plan, and demanding the messages of legislations for the work of the strike. Is encourage the socialism and is also planned to daily wages security and health wealth is with the importance. The ideal growth light on the institutional reforms that should be put on forward for the realizing these ideals. This could be covering the capitalistic move of produce in production into the better order by replacing it through a series of legislations. Nehru was socialist and at the sometimes a democratics. He is tracking ideas on the democratical socialism are as follows. Concept of the freedom. Nehru highly essentially freedom by his concept of the freedom he the freedom of the speech and expressions associated and several other aspects of the creativity. Having observed the petty field on democracy, he proved that a democratical well functions smoothly in the free, equal and classless society which provide equal opportunity of all. This is the way of bring to the socialism, democratic socialism. The concept of the freedom. When we talk about in speaking expressions, that is we add freedom అంటే స్వేచ్ఛ స్వతంత్రాలు మాట్లాడుకోవడం భావాలను వ్యక్తీకరించుకోవడం దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది సోషలిజం is a smoothly free and equal classless society which provide the equal opportunity of all. When we see the society give the all our equal opportunity, all our development. All our development means state also automatically development. That is the concept of the socialism. He had given the interacted the conception of political, social, and economical freedom, which will only operate in the socialistic pattern of society. Future of the socialistic pattern of society. For the promotions of the freedom, should a socialistic pattern of society is essentially it should involve the futures like a removal of poverty, reductions of the inequality of the income and wealth, prevention of equal opportunity to all, take on the concessions of economical power, training of of democratic values, mixed economy, etc. Futures of the socialist pattern of the society. How the social society in developed by the socialistic country, that is he give the equal priority and futures is remove the, like poverty, reduction of the inequality and income and wealth also. This also human, this also when we default is human, that is the come to the socialistic and society is a democratic values and mixed economy, private and public economy introduced, that is the mixed economy. This is the futures of the socialistic patterns of the society. We should involve the futures like a rule, property and reduction of the encourage inequalities of the income and wealth. We provide income opportunity to all, give them all are equal, is democratic values and mixed economy. Those are things are provided by the, those are things are introduced by Nehru in Nehru Socialistic Party, Socialistic Society. In his word, till the at the millions of the friendly eyes that look at me and try to understand what's behind them. The more I say of the India, the more I feel how little I know of her infinity extreme and varieties. Being the reflection of the millions of the Indian people, Nehru adapt a socialist pattern of the society. This is the feeling of the Nehru. When we see this pattern, when we adapt the socialistic pattern in society, the all around in people and seeing by the Nehru. అంటే ఈ కొత్త ప్రజాస్వామ్య సామ్యవాద సిద్ధాంతాన్ని ఎలా అనుసరిస్తాడో, ఎలా అందరము దానికి అంకితమవుతాము, లేకపోతే దానిలో అభివృద్ధి సాధిస్తామనేది when we see all million peoples of Indian waiting. Like in parliamentary democratic, Nehru was a believer in the parliamentary democracy. He had full faith on the ruling party and the wealth and options. He believed on the universal support for the success of the democracy, for the success of parliament democratic, the compassion on the rule of majorities, methods of the discussions, negotiations and presentations and go on. The press, judiciary and public opinion will have a check on the legislatures and will be the guardian in checking the corruptions in parliamentary democracy. The feeling of the you believe in the parliamentary democratic system. First of all, you see the futures of the socialistic party of the society. Again, first of the concept of the freedom. Second, futures of the socialistic party of society. Again, believe in parliamentary democratic system and peaceful solution to clashes. In the democratic socialistic setup, Nehru opined that the class conflict should be ending by the peaceful solution. He never believed in the darkest ideas of the class struggle of the communist policy of the Urutan on a democratic setup should be taken to put an end out to the classes classification inside the society. Again, social development through the planning. Nehru through to bring around development of the society through planning. It will help in the eliminate poverty and the achieving social justice for the messages. But planning, we planned to raise the national income and to spend them in the productivity in channel for the improvement of the lot of poor people of India. The first plan 1951 to 56. The second plan is to 1956 to 61, and third plan to 1961 to 66. The republic sector wise private sectors. Nehru want to achieve further reach the in the field of the democratic socialism. So he put on the emphasis on the mixed economy. He put in the emphasis in mixed economy. For the improvement of the economic conditions of India, Nehru want to close the collaboration of private sectors with the public sectors. The future want to the develop of the human resources for the achieving his end by following the idea of the mixed economy. He want to mesmerize the industrialization in the two corner of India. Cooperative movement. For the success of the democratic socialism, Nehru put in the emphasis on the cooperative movement. Socialism, Nehru put on the emphasis the cooperative movement in India. He rejected the truthship idea of the economy and valued the uh, viewed that the wealthy person should own the factors, etc. And the poor well workers, the state should become to help further maintain those factors, etc. Alone that will be possible through the cooperative society. So he conjectured the vision of a modern India which will maintain a primary schools, a panchayati and cooperative society. This is the view of the Nehru. Is when we see the in futures of the socialist of pattern of the society, concept of the freedom and futures of the socialistic party of society. Again, we believe in a parliamentary democracy. Again, peaceful solution to class conflict and social development through the planning, public sector versus private sectors, and cooperative movement. Those are things are discussed by the in use of socialist things in the Nehru by instruction democratical socialism. Nehru adapt the middle path of the between the capitalism and communism. So he democratical socialism. He is a word must frankly confess that I am socialist and republic and I am no I am no believe in the king's industrials who has greater power over the life and the future of the man. Nehru thought on the socialism. Nehru was through the social and no religion. The satisfaction is a scientific quest for the truth and reality. As a humanistic thinker, Nehru respect the great founder of the religion, but he defined the component of the role of the organization religion in society. He was aware of its danger and the measures. Nehru had realized in the of social secular state in order to the protect the com- culture traditional of India society. It was also essentially for the maintain of the social stability and religion harmony among derived groups to maintain the national unity and under the progressives in the pluralistic society, Nehru considered the secularism as it necessary. It implied that state should not have many religions, neither should it have affair with many religions, but it should protect the rights and freedom of all religion communities. He also believed that material mm, progress should be based on ethicals. Jawaharlal Nehru was leader with the great man on the supreme secure in his success was the very called for the food or humanism which and large. He is the people of India to recognize the directions in their mind and themselves of the place of the problems of the present and with the perspective on the future and openly advocate in the modified path of the future India. The importance of the Jawaharlal Nehru in the context of the Indian history can be divided to the following points. The important modern values and thoughts stream secular insisted upon the basic unity of India and in faith and ethic and religion diversity carry the Indian into the modern age of the scientific, scientific migration and food and respect for the democratic values. Nehru was especially proud to reform the anti-civil code. Nehru admissions established many Indian institutions of the highly learned, including the All Indian institutions of the medical science, the Indian, the Indian institutions of the Indian Institution of the Technology and the National of Technology, and it is the 5 years plan free and compulsory primary education to plan free and compulsory primary education to all of the Indian children. Indian independence movement under the guidance of the Mahatma Gandhi ruled India from his establishment as an independence national in 1947 until his death in the 1964. Nehru was also no Pandit. Nehru is a roots on the Kashmir Pandit community when the Indian children know as the Chacha Nehru. Let's Nehru was born in Allahabad on November 14th. At the age of 15, he went to the England and after 2 years, however, joined the Cambridge University. In 12th, he returned to the Congress and in Vinci 1909 in 1916 he is the first meet with the Mahatma Gandhi inspired by the him. Nehru became the General Secretary of All Indian Congress in September 23. Nehru attended the 10th anniversary celebrations of the October Socialist Revolution in Mexico in 1927 revolution. Nehru attended the 10th anniversary celebrations of the October Socialistic Revolutions revolutions in Mexico in 1927. In 1929, Nehru was elected the president of the fourth session of the Indian National Congress. On October 31st, 1940, Nehru was arrested from the affair of the individual Satyagraha to protect against the Indian forced the participation in this war. Nehru was released along with leader of the other leaders in December 1941 and August 7th in 1942. Pandit Nehru moved the historical Quit India resolution at the AISS session in Bombay. Nehru was elected president of Congress from fourth time on July 6, 1946, again three times in 1952 and 62. The returns, the discovery of India, the beginning of mm, the discovery of India, glamorous of world history, a letter from a father to his daughter, future on Indian communism and other subject, before freedom, Nehru philosophy. Nehru philosophy, man was central to Nehru philosophy. The new political thinker and another to Nehru views on the human problems and they need to be reassessed. Nehru interested on science because he believed that it was the only way by the which we could be transferred from our country. Nehru considered science as a method of using various kinds of the power to better of the lot of human beings. Nehru believed that philosophy should and action. Nehru believed that philosophy should be all in line with the need of the action. It should be released to the practice is called for the Nehru to determine his attitude to the religion. This statement clearly shows to how we a sub-factor of religionization and science, the realizations and science. Democratic socialism as an idea in the extent of the liberal proclamations of democratic alert to set the need of all the countries of the world. It is the idea that believe that the economy and the society should function the democratical to meet the need of the whole community by introducing democratical socialism. Nehru adopted the middle path of the capitalism and communism. So is democratical socialism is a word. I must frankly confess that I am socialist and republic and I am no believe in king's industries who has great power over the the futures of man. Nehru agreed that democratical socialism could be might be a lead of the all third world countries. Nehru was socialist and the sometimes Nehru with pragmatic ideas and democratical socialism as a follow. The concept of the freedom Nehru highly esteemed by the is a concept of the freedom he made by the freedom of the speech and express associate and then the several other aspect of the creativity. He having observed the pitfall of the democratical will function smoothly in the free, equal, and classless society which provide the equal opportunity for all. Nehru gave the concept of the political, social, and economy free, which will only operated in socialist pattern of the society. Futures of the silent socialistic pattern of the society. For this promotion of freedom, a socialistic pattern of the society this in this but it should involve of the futures like removal of the poverty, reduce of the inequality of the income and health, provide the equal opportunity of all, check on the consumption of economy power, and is democratic values and mixed economy. Believe the parliamentary Nehru was a believe in the parliamentary democracy. Nehru full faith on the Union Party of the health positions. He believed on the universal adult suffering for the success of the democratic person. For the success of the parliament democratic, he put on the rule of the majority, methods of the discussions, and on social development for planning. Nehru thought to bring all around development of the society through the planning. It will be helping the poverty and achieve the social justice for the message. We planning to we want to national income and to spend then the productivity channel for the improvement of the lot of poor people of India. The first planner from 1951 to 56, second 56 to 61, third 61 to 66. Nehru Democratic Social System is a public sector. Nehru want to achieve the fair reach in field with the democratical socialism. So he put on the mixed economy for providing of economy conditions of the India. Nehru want to close collaborations of the private sectors with the public sectors. In future want to develop of the human message industries in the of corner of the India. Thank you, and again this is the next session in Nehru Socialism.